everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am excited because I am bringing you Beauty Big Bang's entire collection of brand new metallic polishes, all 10 shades of them. Check them out. They're beautiful, beautiful, and yes, I've already swatched them, as you can see them here on my nails, so you will see me swatch these on my natural nails, and I will tell you a little secret about how I went about application and getting the ultimate or the best look for these. So check them out. Now these are 9 ml bottles, and I am going to show you. So this is how they do come packaged to you in this nice nifty little box right here with that cute little heart there, and they do say metallic polish. So yes, because I've already used them, I've taken them all out of the bottle, but like I said, they are all 9 mLs. And just like the other Beauty Big Bang polishes, I mean, these the bristles, the bottles, these are pretty consistent with their other collections, such as the ones, the color changing polishes and their chameleon polishes. So you can see it. Take a look at that metallic formula right there. These are pretty much the same as far as the formula, pretty much the same across all 10 of them. And to let you know, you may purchase these. They do come, you may get the entire collection of all 10 colors, or you may purchase them in the set of 5, where you can get the bottom 5 in one collection, or you can get the top 5 on another collection, or of course you may also get them individually. So as you can see here on the top, I do have these in order, so they do come number 1 through 10. So the top 5 right here, they seem to be in the brightest color family, whereas the bottom 5 are a little bit more neutrals. Although if it were me, I would probably swatch these two, because this, you can see this is more of a lilac, this one here is more of a brighter purple, so I will kind of probably do that if it was me making the collection. But okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and leave you with me doing the swatches on my natural nails. Before I do that, let me tell you something, guys. I found these, so they are a standalone, unlike other Beauty Big Bang polishes, metallics that I've had in review for them, that come with their base, their clear base. And if you remember OPI's Push and Shove, comes with its own base. These do not come with a base or top coat. After playing with them, I will tell you that my best application for this finish, and take a look at that chrome-like finish, I apply these to my bare natural nails. Absolutely no base coat whatsoever, okay? And yes, well, I am fortunate enough not to have ridges on my nails. As you know, metallics, they do show everything, every little knick-knack, any imperfection on your nails, metallics will show it. Because the finish on these metallics is a chrome finish. It's pretty much, it's like a chrome. So yes, you first start out, you do see those brush strokes as you start with the application, but they do go away, and they just turns into this, not so much of a mirror, but yes, you do have that nice chrome smooth finish. Take a look. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. I really love these bright ones. Okay, and so now here on my thumb, I did have a gel overlay on this nail that has started to grow out. So when you notice that imperfection there, it did not go straight on my nails. On my thumbnail here, I did have some gel there, and I had to buff it, but I wanted to show you the color anyway, so I went ahead and applied it there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you with the clip of me. You have seen me, and I did find these to be opaque with 2 coats, for all of them except for the silver. I found this one to take 3 coats. I do have these here in order, so this one's number 1, which is a pretty lilac. Number 2 is more like a lime green. Number 3, it's more of a brighter green. Number 4 is a turquoise. Number 5, it's a red. Number 6, it's kind of like a peach, light orangey. Number 7, it's a light copper, or maybe a rose gold. It could go either way. number 8. This is more of a, probably like a gunmetal. I will say this is a gray, whereas this is more of a silver for number 9. And number 10 is that pretty purple right there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you with the swatches of you see me how I go about swatching these on my natural nails. So there you saw me how the application went with these polishes on my natural nails. Now I am going to show you why I thought they went best on natural nails, and the reason was because I tried it over these two as base coat, my Rejuva coat and the yellow stopper. Okay, and I went ahead, I have these two tips right here. I have these two right here. This one has the yellow stopper and the Rejuva coat on that one, and they've had plenty of time to dry, and you'll see what happens here. Got too much of a polish there, and notice what happens as I'm taking brush strokes. I don't know if you can tell, but let's see if I can bring you closer without getting blurry. It's like, I mean, it's not smooth, alright? And remember, this is a tip. It's just a plastic tip. There's no imperfections on these, really. And let me go to the other one. And you see, the more strokes I take, it's almost like, it's a little hard to describe, but it's almost as if the more strokes I take, it's like the base coat got re-wet, and it's almost as if I was applying it on a wet base coat. It's like I don't know if the formula on this polish just kind of eats up the base. I'm gonna try to see that right there. And when I did this on my natural nails, no matter how many brush strokes I took on the bared nail, it did not do that at all. It blended itself really, really well. So I don't know about what it is about these that they didn't seem to like a base coat. If you find a base coat that works well with these, I'd be interested to know. As far as the top coat, I found that they look best without the top coat, so that you don't take away from that metallic look, or that, yeah, that chrome look. So yeah, that is my conclusion on these metallic polishes. I did also try them over a gel overlay that I had just completed for my daughter, and they went out smoothly, beautifully. They did not have any effect on the gel, of course, because it was cured. Accident.
Oh, yeah, but okay.
Oh, don't shake my chair. Okay, he's down. Now,
That one does not have the gel.
right. Okay, we'll skip that one. So do be careful with that and pay attention to what type of base coat you're using, if any at all, and then do try them over your nails, bare nails, and you'll see. I think you will be happier with the finish, so long as you don't have to worry about the ridges or other imperfections that you will normally hide with the base coat on your nails. And I do not find them. I have to do a removal with pure acetone, and I did not find them to do any staining on my nails. So that was good, because they are quite pigmented. I find them to be, they do have quite a good pigment to them, and no, they did not stain my nails. So yeah, and as you know, as far as the wear and tear, how long they will last without base coat and top coat, I honestly think so. These metallic polishes are more of a novelty kind of thing. And if you remember, again, going back to OPI's Push and Shove, if you remember reading the labels event, how many of you read the label on that polish? It said it was a one-time wear. It also called for not putting any top coat on it. So yes, goes along with the territory. But beautiful, beautiful finish. I do love the finish on these. I do want to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. Remember that I will have links down in the description bar below, and you may apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.